In fact, it is foolishness because it is automatic that they will not be the same people.
The government maintains that the resettlement plan for 966 families who are victims of the 2007 post-election violence will proceed as planned, despite controversy surrounding the legality of the purchase of one of the farms in Nakuru County. The Ministry of Lands today deployed surveyors to the first farm in Njoro to begin boundary marking ahead of the family's relocation this Saturday. Ken Gashuhi reports.
966 families displaced during the 2007 post-election violence in Nakuru are now set to be resettled on farms purchased by the state at the end of this week, despite one of the farms being mentioned in an active dispute over the legality of its sale agreement.
The judge was very clear and with a lot of clarity. So the court, amongst other orders, it gave a leeway that the government continues with the process of settlement of the IDPs on that parcel of land. With respect to the directive that the president gave on settlement of the IDPs, we want to confirm that that parcel of land is available, and the directive by the president was proper, was legal, and was procedural.
10 heirs of the late Benjamin Njoroge had gone to court in February 2024 seeking to have their brother Philip Kamau found guilty of contempt for disobeying a court order requiring him to return the title deed of the 750-acre Donga farm. The application was however dismissed in November last year by Justice Heston Nyaga in Meru. According to lawyer Paul Wanjir, there are no existing court orders stopping the government from proceeding with the resettlement plan.
The court directed that if at all it is found to be true that the sale of that parcel of land to the government was unlawful in any manner, then the beneficiary would have recourse in following up with the administrator of that estate, being Philip Kamau.
The government has already disbursed 18 million shillings to facilitate the relocation of the families. The Ministry of Lands on Tuesday deployed a team of surveyors to Kisima Farm and has adopted an alphabetical system to allocate parcels of land to each of the registered families.
Pesa tuko nazo, sasa imebaki tu kazi ya ministry. Tafadhali ministry msitucheleweshe. Nyinyi tu ndio mumebaki. Tunapotoka hapa tunaenda kwa county commissioner na surveyors wa ministry. So balloting itafanywa na ministry na si ati wanapendelea alphabetically.
Meanwhile, the beneficiaries have expressed excitement about finally moving to their new farms and leaving the camp where they have lived for the past 17 years.
Tunarudisha shukrani kwa rais wetu. Vile ametushika hata yeye amesikia kilio yetu.
Ken Gashuhi, KTN.